Do you know what is the cheapest thing on this earth? And the same thing is the most precious on this earth. It is advice. Yes, my dear friends, it is advice. Advice is the cheapest thing, and at the same time, this is the most valuable piece of any help in our life. Provided if it is asked, then this is valuable, and if it is just doled out, it is the cheapest thing in our life. Unless and until somebody asks you for the advice, don't give it to them. Otherwise it will not be valued, and you also will not be valued just because you are just giving it for free. You are just giving it or doling it out or giving away as if you have the treasure of those free advices. Never ever give the free advices. It recently happened with me. One of my colleagues, he was so much disturbed because one of the retailers, he just scolded him, and he was so much disturbed that he said, if you are the employee of the company, you should know all about all the information about whatever is going on in the company as such. And since my team, the training team, did not know anything about this particular offer or this particular scheme which the company had to offer to the retailers, we did get it late. So he was very much disturbed, and then he came to me, sir, did you know this, or did you come across any information from the head office? I said, no, I did not come across that. So how come did the sales team get it? And don't you know that they got it and we are not getting it? So you just talk to these people and you just get the information. It should not happen that the retailer is calling us and giving us the advice or giving us the recommendations or giving us the gyan sort of thing. I said, keep a calm, cool temperament right now. Don't be so much furious about this thing. It is just an event. It is not the lifelong fiber of our life. I said, no sir, it's too much humiliation for me. It should not happen. So I just asked him, you just go and talk to that particular retailer and say, boss, I don't have any idea right now, and if I misguide you, this will again boomerang to me. So do you want me to misguide you at all? He said, sir, I don't believe in that, and I'm not going to ask him anything about it. So just leave it. I'll just find out my own way. I just kept myself away from that particular situation, and after some time, he did the same thing. He said, he talked to that particular retailer and said, boss, because I did not have this information, I could not provide you. Do you think that if I provide you the wrong information or any information in a hurry and worry, and it would cost you some loss of your customers, would it be good for you? So the retailer said, no, it wouldn't have been like that. So he said, so now do you understand? Because if I don't have the confirmation, how can I give you that confirmation to you? He said, yes, absolutely true. Then now tell me, what is the current situation? The retailer asked him. He came back to me. My trainer came back to me as being the boss of him. He said, boss, I talked to him like that. And he said, now what is the situation? Then we went ahead and we talked about the situation and everything, and then the retailer was very much happy, or at least satisfied with our answers on particular thing. But this particular event gave me the inkling, gave me the learning that Alok, don't give the advice for free. Don't give the immediate advice if the people are not ready to accept it, if the people are not asking for your advice. Otherwise it will go in vain. They are not going to listen to you at all. So as the management person, as the leader also, we need to understand this particular thing. Never ever give the advice at the first stage. unless and until the employee comes back to you, unless and until he just handles this particular thing, or he is very much furious, he is very much disturbed at that particular thing, never ever give any advice. Just sit with them and just listen to them. Nothing else. When they ask it, then only they are going to value your advice. This is Alok Joshi, the student of public speaking and human behavior. Thank you very much.